Hey everyone, Stephanie here. So, this is the next video in this series of how to make cute, easy earrings using small Christmas ornaments. Okay, so this is probably going to be video number two, but I will put the number on the top so you'll know. You know, um, I just had this idea because again I was online and I saw a few girls making some earrings and stuff and jewelry piece. I thought, oh, that's really cute. So I'm gonna try my hand at making something on my own. So now for this particular one, we're going to be using the spiral small Christmas ornaments from My Little Christmas that you get at Hobby Lobby. Okay. You say, well, can you really wear these earrings? Yes, you can. And they're so cute and so easy to make. Now, so all I did was add a little rhinestone piece here in the middle, right? And have a little dangle there like that. You could add one or two, but just know the more you add, the heavier it's going to be. And it's already kind of a big piece, and I didn't want it to make it too heavy. So I think one little piece is good, maybe two, depending on, what kind of piece you add to it. I had rhinestones, that I had cut from using from other pieces. So this is sort of the rhinestone I'm using. Okay, just extra little pieces I had lying around. You can use like little bead dangles, like this. You can use other little small rhinestones if you have them sort of like that. This is sort of this was actually one piece, and I just kind of cut all the different pieces off of it. I love these. And then you can also use chain. Now, I wouldn't use any big chain because, it'd be heavy, but something small and delicate you could definitely use. Okay. So I'm going to use this. I've used this in videos before. This is very light, very small, delicate chain. You can get this online anywhere. Probably Etsy or like AliExpress or something like that. You can just Google it. It depends on what you want to put on your pieces. So what I did was I just cut it off here. All right, cut it off. And then because this already has a little hook on there, see that? I'm just going to put a jump ring through that and put it on the piece. Now what I did was, y'all, I had to straighten it out first of all. I had to open up the top just a little bit so I can get that in there, right? Straighten it out because it was hanging on there. Okay. Open it up and then close it back. Either one. I did the opposite way last for that one, but you can just open it up and drop it in like that. Okay, to make sure you close it back. Or you can leave it open. It's up to you. And then what I did was I just lined it up. Okay, take the jump ring. Okay, so you take your jump ring and you just put it through the hole of the either chain or the rhinestone and the hole of the ornament here. And you just close it up. Well, before you close it up, put your ear hook on them. Put your ear hook on it. Okay, and then close it up. All right, that's how you do that. And then you have a cute little pair of earrings. All right, so these are super cute. Now I would probably try to push this down a little bit and close it, unless not you're going to open this side. Well, I mean, they look very similar though, don't they? Yeah. Okay. Well, I can just leave it. Hold on. Let's see. Let's see how they look together. Make sure they're even. All right. You may have to cut your rhinestone down a little to match the other one. Oh, they look pretty even to me. Oh, look at that. That's so pretty. They look pretty even to me. All right. You can watch this in full screen if you want to see it up close. So the rhinestone is hanging the way you want it to and everything. Very, very cute, y'all. Oh, I like that. So yeah, let's fix that. Okay, now we got to make sure it stays in here. What you can do is stretch this out and tighten that up if you want it to be a little tighter. Okay. Now this is an ornament, y'all. So, yeah, just be cautious of that. Conscious of that. Okay. And you can straighten it out however you want. Okay, now here's the thing with these. If you're going to use these as earrings, make sure that you tighten this back up so it doesn't fall through. Because if it falls through, it's going to get tangled in here and start coming out. Also, keep in mind that if you unravel this part, some of this is not painted. Okay. So it's going to show. All right. So just be mindful of that. All right. Those are two things you should think about if you're going to make something like this with using these. All right. So, it is an ornament. We're just making something a little kind of fun here. Make sure you tighten that up because it will try to come out. So yeah, your chain or your rhinestone will come up if you don't tighten this little piece right here. Okay. So make sure you try to, just close it a little bit so that way it can sit just nicely in there. And y'all, that's it. That's all you got to do. You can put some chain in here, like I said, or whatever you want. Now I'm going to put these on some just scrapbook paper that I made into, earring cards, some festive little paper, You can use cardstock if you want. I had cardstock, but not in pink, so I'm using paper. But of course, you can back this with something else, y'all, and you could sell these at your craft fairs. Look at that. So cute. I think they're cute and festive and so different, right? Very, very cute and festive, right? Just so cute. So they go with our other pieces we made in our first video. Okay, so this is what we did in the first video, and this is the second video, okay? So look at that. Cute, festive pairs of earrings that you can gift or sell or whatever. Great for your office, work, little gift giving things, stocking stuffers, whatever you want to do, okay? All right, so we finished with the blue ones, right? They look pretty decent, pretty cute. Whatever you add to them, just make it work. And I think these would be great stocking stuffers for like fun little Christmas gifts, fun little gifts like that. So very cute. Okay, very cute. What do? You got to straighten these out. Remember you got to kind of make them even here and unravel them a little bit. Well, some of the paint is not on there, y'all. So just so you know. Okay. So there you go. Some cute little sort of Christmas earrings made out of Christmas ornaments. Right? These are kind of cute. I'll probably just use more the rhinestones because I think the rhinestones work better. They're easy to put on, than the chain. But if you have the right proper chain, the chain will work great too. Okay. And again, remember that they're delicate because again, that little piece broke off there. So, all right. So that's very cute. All right. So that's the end of this video. All right. I hope you have enjoyed and got some really great ideas for some of your makes. All right. So if you have any questions or comments, you can leave it below and I'll answer, get back to you. And give me a follow on my social media. I'm at Stephanie Garrett Creative on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and at Stephanie Garrett Designs over on Facebook and Instagram. All right. All of my links are actually in my link tree. Just click on that. I say Twitter, y'all, but I meant Twitter/X. I keep calling it Twitter. All right. Just click on the link tree link and you can see the links to all of the Instagram, the TikToks, and all of the sites that you need to catch me on. All right. All right, y'all. Thanks for watching and bye for now.